Welcome viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a common challenge faced by many Excel users dealing with protected sheets. You have probably encountered situations where you need to make changes to a locked Excel file but the password is nowhere to be found. So fear not, in this video I will show you how to unlock those protected Excel sheets without any password recovery software. So let's dive in. Here I have one Excel sheet. You can see bill paying checklist. And if for any reason you can't see this format like .xlxx, you just need to go to your file explorer, under view, click on this drop down arrow, go to show, and here you will find this file name extension. Just activate this one. Once done, you will be able to see the file format like xlxx here. So the first thing that we have to do is to just simply copy this as a backup. So I'm keeping this as my backup. If in any case in our workaround something goes wrong and this file gets corrupt, we will have a backup file ready with us. So please remember to make a backup. Now the second thing which we have to do is to change the extension of this file. Currently it is showing XLXSX. So just do a right click, go to rename and change it to zip. Press enter. It will show a message like if you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Click yes. Now, once done, you will see this compress zip icon here. So you can choose any zip program that is available with your system. Like you might have WinRAR 7-zip. Currently, I am using the File Explorer default program to unzip this folder. Just double click on it and you will be able to see like what is the content inside this zip file. So locate your Excel file folder here, right here. Just double click it and inside this one you will be able to see worksheet. Double click on worksheet. In our case, in our Excel sheet, we have only one sheet here. So I can see here sheet 1. If there are many sheets in your workbook, so please note that particular sheet which is protected in your worksheet and copy that sheet number to your desktop. In my case, I have only one sheet, so I'm copying this unique sheet, pressing Ctrl C, or you can choose this copy icon here. Click here, come to your desktop, do the right click and paste here. Now what you have to do, minimize this one, just open this sheet using your notepad. I have my this notepad here. Click just once. Now expand this one. So you don't worry about this scary looking codes here. What you have to do, just come to view, go to zoom and click on zoom in. Just I want to make it bigger so that I can see the codes written here. To do, simply press Ctrl F and look for this word protect. Hit enter, close this one and slowly scroll up. So we are interested in this sheet protection. Look for this less than symbol here before sheet protection. You can see this. So this is the less than symbol. And then what you have to do, you have to keep looking for the greater than symbol which is there next to this code. Like here, I'm just keep looking, keep looking. So please do this exercise carefully to reach up to this very next closing greater than symbol here. So I'm highlighting this one. So this is the one that we are looking. Once done, what you have to do, carefully select I am using my shift and right arrow button. So keep pressing it until it reaches that particular greater than symbol. Once you have selected it, hit backspace. I'm pressing backspace. So now once done, go to file and hit save. Close it. I'm opening my file explorer back again, which I have already minimized in our discussion. Simply drag and drop. It will ask to replace the file. You say yes. Now it's done. Close this file explorer page and rename back this zip file to Excel file name. So what you have to do, go to rename and change the format, like, or we can say the file type using XLX. X. Hit outside. It will say again, do you want to change? We will say yes. And now we are back to our original Excel sheet now. Now open it, and now you should be able to change the object inside the Excel sheet. So that's it. Now no more errors. Once you have made the changes, you can go back also to review and protect this sheet back again. Like for example, you want to restrict the editing by other users, you can password protect it back again. And now it's done. So nobody again will be able to change this sheet. So you have restored the protection setting of your Excel sheet as well. So in this way, you can unlock any password protected sheet. So I hope this technique will save your time and frustration. And remember always to keep your password secure. So if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comment below. And until next time, happy spreadsheet editing. Bye bye.